How to make money on Amazon FBA. Have you ever noticed that all things that are sold on Amazon are not fulfilled by retail site? It may have been fulfilled by other sellers or third parties. This is called FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. You can sell your products through the company and it will be fulfilled by the same. They will store the items in their inventory and ship the products to the customers. This will let your product be eligible for Prime, which can increase your sales and build trust among customers. The best thing here is to sell on Amazon. You won't need a college degree. Also, you don't require a pocket full of money to get Amazon FBA. This is the reason it is very appealing for beginners. This means anyone can learn how to earn money by selling through Amazon. So, here are the steps to make some good cash through Amazon FBA. Step 1. Open an Amazon seller account. The first thing you have to do is to open a seller account with Amazon. You won't need any business ID to do this, because it's very simple. You need a credit or debit card to pay a fixed amount by Amazon. Enter your home address and email, your phone number, and your identification number. Your seller account will be set. Now you can proceed with selling initials. Step 2. Find a product to sell. Your present goal is to make money on Amazon FBA. Now you have created the account. You have to find a profitable product that you are willing to sell. You have to research the items that can make more profit. You can avoid items such as mechanical, fragile, large volume items. Then there are trademarked items like Disney, or the products that are sold in big retail stores. Step 3. Negotiate with suppliers. You need suppliers when you are selling on Amazon. It can be another company, a certified vendor, and so on. You have to contact them and negotiate the price matter. Once the cost is settled, you can start selling your goods to Amazon. Step 4. Product information. The moment you have the items to sell, you have to gather every possible information on the products. This is required for the description you have to give on the Amazon page. If you give good details on the items you are selling, customers will be interested in the thorough depiction. You have to keep the description at least 200 characters, but in recent days Amazon has increased the number. You have to use bullet points for better viewing. Also, don't forget to include the keywords. Step 5. Select online tools for product research. There are some online tools available that you can use to search for the right products to sell on Amazon. These tools will let you choose the best ones and opt out the restricted items. Amazon will not allow the sales of any kind of restricted items on their site. Step 6. Find relevant sources. You can find so many good flip products on eBay and you can sell them on Amazon. This will help you get some good bucks. This process is similar to retail arbitrage. You can easily make $200 to $500 each month. You can buy some products in bulk from a thrift store and sell them on Amazon when the demand is high. For instance, you can buy some Santa figurines in bulk from a store and sell them at Christmas time on Amazon. Due to the high demand, you will get some good money out of it. By this, you can make $300 to $2,000 per month. You can also find your product source from Alibaba and buy some items in bulk to sell on Amazon. Step 7. Reprice your items. You have bought the items from a source at less price. Now you can reprice them to sell on Amazon FBA. Also, you are already selling a product on Amazon at a particular rate. You can increase the rate as time passes. Step 8. Add images and videos. Adding images and videos of the product will help you sell things faster. Amazon FBA will even confirm the item as you have given a relevant picture. Also, the product will look compact with the image. You can ask for the same from the manufacturer. Step 9. Things you can and cannot sell. Things you can sell on Amazon. You can sell things that are just becoming junk. It can be your shirts, coffee mug, hats, and much more. It will be Amazon fulfilled or you can deliver the same by yourself. You can also sell wholesale goods on Amazon FBA. The main thing here is you are selling the products of other companies, so you won't have to worry about the manufacturing of the items. For so many sellers, they have chosen this same method for selling and making money from Amazon. The items can be books, clothing, electronic devices, and so on. You can sell handicraft items and make money on Amazon FBA. You can either produce the items by yourself or sell from another company. You will get massive exposure through Amazon. You can attract more customers quicker than any other selling methods. Things you cannot sell. Before you select the items to sell, you have to check the products that are restricted by Amazon, like direct medicines and other things. If you appeal to that, the company will not sell the same for you. Other items such as livestock, explosive devices, endangered animals, alcohol, illegal wildlife products, creatures, insects, pets, marine things, animal feces, and so on. You already know that Amazon will ship your items to the customers, but did you know that if you drive the same to clients, Amazon will pay you $10,000 for the startup? The Flex program with Amazon will allow you to do the same. Your only task here is to answer a questionnaire, download the app, and if you get selected you can start making money. As a delivery person for Amazon, you can get paid $100 per day. The registered drivers get paid $18 to $25 per hour, so it's not a bad deal. There are so many ways Amazon can help you make money. You just have to know the ways. Check out the previous points and you will get a good overview of it.